But you see, I swear she's getting a little udder there. Well, this is the closest I've ever got to them. I'm box again. Oh my goodness. Do you think we're going today or tomorrow? Good morning. I'm Lynn and welcome to another day at Ewetopia Farms. It's a spectacular day today. We had our first frost last night. Wasn't really a killing frost, but it definitely coated all the grass. So this morning you can see, I don't know if the camera shows how sparkly it is, but it's not sparkly for mice, but the sun is shining and all the ice is melting off the grass. And we're hoping today is a bean day. But we can't forget our little bird friends. Thought we'd check on the boys first. They're all eating. They'll be happy to see the sunshine again too. Yesterday was a really cold, mucky day. There's Tommy. So we got the heifer barn all fed. I'm just going to do the salt minerals now. And what's different today is that we have Matt who came to visit. He is starting kind of a farm sitting business and he wanted to learn a little bit more about sheep and how to look after sheep. So he's over here this morning just following us around for chores, and hopefully he'll be here for a few days as we go through stuff and learning, because he's going to be a potential person who will look after our farm if we go away. As you know, if you've been following our videos, it's always an ordeal to get away when you work on a farm. So it's very handy to have someone around who knows what they're doing and how to do it. So we're happy that he wanted to come and try this out for a little while. We'll see how that goes. Looks like someone's coming over for a visit. Hi there. Maybe not. I'm in here with one of the Dorset breeding groups in the main barn. Just having a look at the girls here, and to me, they're looking quite pregnant right now. They're starting to get pretty round, and I swear a few of them look like they're even forming udders now. There we go. And as I look at the Dorsets in the other pen, I'm seeing the same thing. They just have that rosy glow to them that says, I'm pregnant. They're looking really nice and filled out. And yeah, like I say, you would swear that those are, sorry, you know what it is. Every time I gotta show something. But you see, I swear she's getting a little udder there. And it is possible that they could lamb in, just over a month now. So it's about time where they can start showing udders. Lambing season is going to be on us before you know it.
These are 4 breeding groups, so they're petitioned off, and same thing. Just like
hi everybody. Hi. Hi girls. Well, it's very cold outside, but it actually feels nice and cozy in the barn here. Arnie's giving little instructions, so you'll hear him talking in the background. Hi guys, let's go check you out. Hi Cupcake. Hi Cupcake. We haven't seen you for a while. Hey. Girls, why are you battling? Hey Cash. Hey buddy, how you doing? I've never seen Cash come at us, even in his breeding group. He is more focused on the ewes all the time, flirting with them, trying to win them over. He seems to be more of a lover than a fighter. Now we're in Casanova's group. I don't see him offhand. Oh, there he is back here. He's gonna come over, we know that. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. Oh, you are a demanding boy. Yes, you are. You're really demanding. You always want a nice back rub. Yeah, it's a daily thing, isn't it, Casanova? Does it feel good to have a back rub? Hannibal. You can see he's still favoring his foot a little bit, but he's definitely much better. But he still walks with a slight limp. Hopefully that will totally go away. Here we are in Monsters breeding group. Hi, Bonnie. Are you hungry, little kitten? Are you hungry? Shall I get you some food? I think that'd be a good idea.
If people want to donate some money, then we'll get them all spaded and we'll do our thing.
Hi.
Right now, somebody just dumped them here and they want me to do it. So there's 6 of them in there. So we're feeding them. I'm going to feed them. They're actually doing a good job.
So this is the closest I've ever got to them. I'm still in here by the food.
Yeah, they're doing their part.
We got the one here eating.
That's a new ram we just put in here.
This one, she's really cute.
These are all brand new rams. They were born in January. So most of these guys get sold.
We'll see who else is gonna brave coming out here with me. Hi.
It's all on the ground, so it comes in right under that door.
Hi, little kitten.
There's a line, and it goes a drinker. And while we put the water line in, we ran an electrical line. So the drinker
Hi.
all under there. They don't freeze. Now, they don't recommend you put them on the outside wall because they say you're kind
She's pretty brave. We hit the ewe lamb barn. Obviously, Hot Lips has taken over the box in this barn. You know that when she was in the other barn, she was the one always summoning us from the box, and now she's always up here too. Hi, Hot Lips. How you doing? Hi. Are you on your box again? Oh my goodness. You're the lamb on a box. Oh goodness. You are a sweetheart. Yes. She is lovely. Hi. That's you. Aren't you gorgeous? There you are. And of course we have everybody else surrounding me. Okay, I heard the rumbling of wagons, and as you can see, we have a whole bunch of wagons in the yard right now because Cody Woods, who's going to be doing our beans, has arrived. He's getting all set up. He's brought all the wagons out. And how's it going? Not too bad. Do you think we're going today or tomorrow?
I'm gonna maybe try late this afternoon to try it, but definitely tomorrow.
Okay, good. Those are big wagons.
Yes.
Well, everything was a go today for the combining. But about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, we had a little downpour, which stopped the beans a little bit. So I guess we're not combining today, probably. But these things dropped off yesterday, and they say they're about 16 ton per load. So the problem with these things are, with my tractor, you don't park them in a hole. You park them on top of the hill where you can get them moving. So 16 ton per each wagon. They're brand new. The guy just bought them. But I'm taking you do know what I'm talking about. They carry grain off the combines. They got roofs on them and everything that fold over for the weather. But yeah, took Lynn out this morning. And I said to Lynn, look what's dropped in the yard. And I said, what do you think of that? And her reply is, are they shopping carts? I said, no, they're not shopping carts, Lynn. They're grain buggies. But Lynn thinks we're going to go shopping. That shows you where her thoughts are. But anyways, I'm going to do a little project today. It's not a project. It's actually, we have a problem with the skid steer. So I'm going to get this fixed today. Lynn didn't know what to film today, so I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. I'm going to do some welding. This is broke a couple times on me. So I'll just show you what's happening. It's quite muddy for combining. So I'll just show you what happens here. Okay, so here it is. So just to get your head around it, there's about 1,000 bales we made here. With the dry hay and the straw, probably made about 1,500 bales. So they were 1,500 bales to stack them, 1,500 bales to get them off the wagons, 1,500 bales to wrap them and restack them. So we probably moved about 2,000 to 3,000 bales of hay we move a year. And it's hard to believe, but this little machine here has an extremely powerful hydraulic pump on it. It's actually stronger. It's got a stronger hydraulic system than a 65 horse tractor. And we've used the jaws so many times, it's snapped it right off right there. So the last time it broke, I put that little reinforcing right there in that corner. It actually made it a lot stronger. But what's basically happening is it's picking up so many bales. It's actually, if you really put the pressure on the bale, it's actually bending the jaws out over, like I say, 2,000 bales, 2,500 bales a year. You times that 5, 6, or 10 years, that's a lot of jaw work, and it's playing its role. So today, we're going to get that pulled back into position, and I'm going to try to weld that up. I do have a brand new set in the shed, but I think I can save this one here. I'm going to get it re-welded and see how long that will last. That's my project today, and I'll show you how we're going to do that. I got one of these tie downs on here to pull that back in the right position. I'm going to try to weld that up really heavy. See if we can get it to hold. So I think what's happening is by picking the bales up, this angle right here from where it's bent for the go around the bales, I think as we're picking bales up, like hundreds of bales, this angle is actually bending back out for the pressure on the bales, and that's why it's breaking, I think. Anyways, no big deal. We're gonna weld that up, and I'm not a welder, so we're gonna see how neat a job I can do to get this fastened up. Chip off the slag. I was using a hammer, but now I got the proper tool. So, found that. Extra weld on it, see if I can get it to stay a little bit. See how that goes. I took it off the skid steer. It's never happened to me, but I heard a rumor that the electrical things on that on the skid steer doesn't like the electrical welding, and you can have trouble with the skid steer. That's why it's unhooked. That we get no shock, I guess, on the skid steer. So I'm going to try to reinforce this a little bit. It's not the best position to weld in, but we'll give it a go. Went pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, it's not probably the best. Try to get some more weld on that. I think I'm going to leave it. I say I'm not a welder, but I got that welded. But again, I think it's just going to break again. Okay, I think the only way to prevent that from breaking is just like I should get this part rebent again, because I think the pressure of the round bales are forcing that out. But yeah, we'll see how long that lasts. I do have a couple brand new ones like this we bought in a pinch. They're quite expensive actually, but yeah, can't complain. Does a lot of work, and if something breaks, it's just a fact of life. So I guess with the welding, I'm not a welder, and we make it work, and nothing gained, nothing lost. So that's it for my project today. So my next project, that's the door we made the other day. And I think I'm going to cut this door out too. I can't get nothing in here. We don't use it for the car. So I think we're going to cut it out. And I'll tell you how that goes.
And on that note, we're going to call it a day and leave you with some photos from around the farm and the area. And I hope you'll join us again tomorrow. Bye for now.